That's the distinction of bubble creation. How are you creating and maintaining? How you both agree the world occurs, because you see it a certain way, what you're speaking to, you're safe, I got you, you're mine, all that, and she agrees and is following. There's work involved in this shit. If you're going to lead a relationship, if you're going to have feminine follow you, you are responsible for it. Everything is there. So you are responsible that there's irritation, annoyance, this ain't worth it, you know, whatever energy was there for you. It's your responsibility of the feminine exhale that's not present. She's got 20 more questions. She's got more insight. Like you said, for you, the world occurs. I've been honest. I told you everything. You know what it is. You said you were good with this. All that logical stuff. We checked all the boxes. And this is how you end up? Yo, fuck this. That is that feminine, and that's your job as the masculine to contain. All that is your responsibility inside of your containment. What you have led and created, your bubble down there that you've invited her to create. She's now in that bubble. Okay, this is nice, it's a little spacious, and things get bigger and the relationship gets bigger and that bubble's getting close. So she's actually got to brush up. Oh, you going over watch these girls' kids? Oh, you're not talking to me while I'm there? The exhale happens when your bubble is big enough to contain her. Masculine stays grounded to go and be with that emotion, to go and be with all that shit over there that she's getting and see it over your annoyance and frustration, over the logic of this shit don't make no sense. I told you this, that's not there. I'm not doing that. Everything that comes up for you has to be with that, see that, oh, she's not getting this. She's not seeing this. What's truly there, she is insecure that she has you, that she is not a fool. Whatever her real conversation is in the feminine emotion, and you calling that shit out. Look, we talking about all this, you got 21 questions, but truly you don't feel that X. Really, you're over there worried about Y. You can't see that it's Z. See, that's her trying to lead to make me feel better. Let me ask you this question. If I get this information, I'm gonna feel better. It'll all make sense. No, it'll make sense when it feels better. When she feels gotten, seen, understood, contained, and she's gonna have to feel it. The articulated words are not gonna come from her and her questions. It is gonna come from you feeling her emotion, your masculine containment, going out to be with her emotion and bring her back down to earth inside of your bubble. I know you feel about this. I know you got hurt. I know your feelings, seeing her, and that's the work of.